Damn, Bob, you don't care. You just eating your McDonald's. You don't care, Bob. That's what people say to me, Bob. You don't care. You about to go live and eat McDonald's while you're doing lives? Yep. Yep. You know why? I don't care. Why don't I care? Hey, Sean, what's going on? Shanisha, what's going on? Shanishka. How you guys doing? This Friday, this beautiful Friday. Listen, I'm going to come on live real quick. I'm going to try to last at least only 10 minutes. That's it, I promise. It's 2:37 right now. If by, what is it? 10 minutes later, if by 2:47 I'm not finished, I'm just going to hang up. I'm going to just hang up the live, okay? But I just want to throw some stuff at you. My headline to this live was simply, you cannot make money. You cannot make money. Everybody's always talking about, you cannot make, I want to go make some money. I want to go make some money. You know what? You cannot make money. Money, you're not the U.S. Mint, okay? And this is not my line. I got this line from a very awesome book I read lately called, I'm going to Make Them an Offer They Can't Refuse, by this Mafia guy, which has been the best book I think I've read so far this year. Joel, what's going on? Welcome. And that line just stuck in my head, and it made all the sense in the world. Everybody's always talking about, I gotta go make some money. What's going on, Mitch? Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Saturday to Jenny Jordan out there in Australia. But listen, everybody's always talking about, I gotta go make some money. I gotta go make some money. You cannot make money, okay? You're not the U.S. Mint. It's illegal for you to make money. If you go make money, if you were making money the way I used to back in the days with my copy machine, that's illegal. You cannot do that. That's illegal. But listen, and actually, copy machines can't do that anymore. What do you call it? Printers, because now the minute it realizes printing money, it stops. It's kind of funny, but I've tried it all, people. I've tried it all. But let me tell you something. You cannot make money. The only thing you got to do is go get you some money. You got to get money. Okay, you can only get money. You can only get money. How do you get money? By adding value and by creating an excuse for people to give you money. You know why? Because every dollar you ever want. Ebony, what's going on? Ebony, welcome on this beautiful Friday. The only way that you can get money is to get money out of somebody else's pocket. So you have to either create something of value that gives them a reason to give you their money, okay, or to create an excuse for people to give you their money. And that's what it's all about. Joe, what's going on? Welcome this happy Friday. Welcome. Thank you for watching. So you cannot make money. All you can do is go get money. Okay? So that's rule number one. Rule number two is, so your only job is to spend all the time creating excuses for people to give you their money. Okay? Because you can only go get money and give people an excuse to give you their money. So that is why, Soren, what's going on? Welcome. So that is why you have people having businesses. That's why we offer services. That's why, let me tell you, I've done it all. I've been an attorney. I've been a consultant. I've sold cars. I've sold education. I've sold services. I've sold workshops. I've sold cell phones. I've sold, I've sold water filters. I've sold everything under the sun. Because why? Because we figured out a very long time ago. I got 7 minutes to go. Because we figured out a very long time ago that the only way you can get money is to create an excuse for people to give you money. So you create a service, or you create something of value to give people an excuse to give you their money. That's why people create seminars. That's why people sell stuff. That's why people write music. That's why people create music. That's why people create movies. That's why people create books. That's why people create everything. That's why people go to work. Okay, you go to work because you're trading your time for money. You go to work because you're creating an excuse for the owner to give you some money, for the company to give you some money. So you say, hey, I'm going to trade my skills. I'm going to trade my abilities. I'm going to be here for 7, 8 hours, 10 hours a day, whatever, so that you can pay me some money. But listen, guess what? Here's the big secret. You don't need to ask anybody permission to go get yourself some money. Once you get to a level, okay, where you can, and that's where the 97% is. The 97% is at this level. I'm sorry, the 3% is at this level. The 97% is still at the other level. Darren, what's going on? Welcome. The other 97% is not at that level yet, right? So they're consumers. That's what we call consumers. But the 3% which is, I'm one of them, I'm proud to say, we create excuses. All I do, listen, I don't work. I don't consider what I do work. I mean, it's working. I'm busting my ass. I'm working throughout the night. I'm working throughout the day. I'm doing stuff, whatever, all this kind of stuff. But I don't work for anyone. I work for myself. But what do? I don't get paid for my time anymore. I get paid for what I produce. So what do I produce? I produce all day long ideas and excuses for people to give me money. I'm either trying to set up this seminar. I'm either trying to set up this workshop. I'm either trying to create this advertising campaign. I'm either trying to create this program or this course or this whatever system, whatever, to people to buy into, because I'm giving people an excuse to want to give me their money. And you know what? I'm at a point right now where I don't even have to ask for the money. People are throwing their money at me. As a matter of fact, I'm in a situation right now at contentrichlife.com where on YouTube, Jenny and I have started this program, and we're in a situation right now where people are banging down the fucking door to try to get into that program. And as always, since I do everything myself, I am not ready. And people are like, here, take my money. Take my money. People are saying, look, hey, look at this, look at this, look at this. See, I always have money on me. Okay, people are like, take my money, please, take my money, Bob, take my money, take my money. I'm like, I ain't ready to take your money yet, man. I'm not finished. Give me 2 more days. Just give me 2 more days and it'll be ready. Why? Because I've created an excuse. I create situations where people are giving me their money. Okay? And that's what you need to do. You cannot go make money. Correct your language. We don't go make money. We create excuses to get the money out of other people's pockets. Because every dollar you ever want is in someone else's hands. contentrichlife.com. Check it out. You're not going to want to miss out. If you want to make $20,000 a week, you need to be there. Later. Bye.